This is how I plan to turn $25,000 into potentially $250,000 to $500,000 to potentially $1 million. And I know it sounds crazy, but once I explain the thesis behind this play, I think you guys will start to realize where I'm coming from, and it's going to make a little bit more sense. And this is a very thought out thesis based on facts. There's no opinions involved in this. I'm simply going to go over the numbers, show you guys what I expect, and then you can, decide for yourself on what you think is going to happen and potentially take this trade with me. Okay, so to start, let's take a look at Bitcoin here, right? Bitcoin has broken new all-time highs, right? And it looks like we're going to get a daily candle close above the previous all-time high, meaning that we are now in price discovery. Anytime there's an alt season, Bitcoin always makes an all-time high first because the money has to flow into those smaller cap coins, which I'll get into in just one second. But this was the first thing that I was looking for, right? I was looking for Bitcoin to break all-time highs, which we have just done today. And it looks like there's a lot of bullish momentum, a lot of bullish buying pressure. And this is a very large consolidation period. This could be a massive breakout to 100K Bitcoin, guys. I would not be surprised in the slightest. So this was the first thing that I was looking for. So I know you must be thinking, Matt, are you just going to buy Bitcoin? No, I'm going to buy an altcoin. And the altcoin that I'm talking about is a meme coin. It's called Toshi on Base. Now, I posted this inside of my pro group around a year ago, probably a little less than a year ago. So we already hit like a 6 to 7x on it. I did not take any profits. So I know you must be thinking, oh, Matt, you're stupid. You were at X amount. You didn't take any profits. No, and the reason being is I have a thesis in mind, and I'm not going to sell until that thesis is met. Okay, it's hard to time local tops and bottoms and bull runs. No one can do it. It's not realistic, right? So I have not sold. So it's down to my entry right now, a little above my entry, meaning you guys can get a really good buy-in price now if you're watching this video in real time. So Toshi the cat is a meme coin built on the Base chain. So essentially, this is just a bet on the Coinbase ecosystem. For those of you guys that don't know, Coinbase has their new chain, kind of like the Solana ecosystem, but now it's going to be, Base with low fees. And you can see this project's kind of cool. This is the first meme coin on Base. It was grown organically, right? Not a cabal token, has an organic community. And they're launching some cool things as well. I don't think this really matters here. Toshi tools coming soon. This is going to come out pretty soon, I think. A token locker, liquidity locker, launchpad, token launcher, how to buy Toshi. So yeah, you can see, some NF Toshis as well. It's cool. Okay. But the main reason I'm looking at Toshi is because some of you guys may have heard of the coin Brett on Base, right? It ramped to almost 2 billion market cap. This was shilled heavily by a guy named Crash. And you can see the price action resembles Toshi a lot, right? These coins tend to follow each other because they're both under the Base ecosystem. So when one Base coin goes up, all Base coins are going to go up. And I am bullish on Brett, and I'm bullish on Crash with this one, that I think we're going to see a 5-10 billion market cap on Brett. But what you have to understand is since Toshi is such a smaller market cap, we're sitting at 65 million. If Brett and other altcoins, run to the billions, I definitely think Toshi has a very high possibility actually of reaching a $1 billion market cap, which is, a little under 20x from current prices. To me, this is actually realistic. I don't think this is a stretch to say that we're going to get there, right? And I do believe that this 3 drive will be met, right? 1 high, 2 high, a lot of altcoins before they die, you see a 3 drive at least. So, I'd expect at minimum a $500-600 million, if not higher market cap. We can at least take some profits before that final $1 billion target, and it can go higher, right? This is just my target. So that is my thesis on the coin. And here is how much I have. And this is one of my Toshi wallets on MetaMask. I have $25,000 in. You can see it change throughout this video. So this is a live account. So I'm showing you in real time, and I'm going to take this to multiple 6 figures. And I'll show you guys real time as well that I will be taking this to multiple 6 figures because I'm that confident in an alt season. Now, let's talk about how we're going to actually get, these high prices, right? Because who's going to buy an altcoin at all-time highs, okay? And this is where we have to talk about the money flow. So the crypto money flow goes from fiat, which is US dollar, to Bitcoin, down to large caps, to mid caps, to low caps. And I'd actually put below the low caps, you're going to see meme coins. And meme coins have already shown that they are going to be the leading candidate this alt season. People like trading meme coins. Retail likes trading meme coins. And unfortunately, we can't escape from that. So we can either choose to play the game of meme coins and make a lot of money, or we can just choose to avoid that sector. If you just want to hold Bitcoin and ETH, Solana, that's fine. But the truth of the matter is that a lot of the money to be made this bull run are going to be through meme coins. I hold a bunch of meme coins. Toshi is one of them, obviously. I do have a list that I've shared inside of my pro Discord. So if you want access, you can click the first link in the description below. Can't give everything away for free on YouTube, right? It's a little bit too much value here. But I am watching a very large list of meme coins. I'm invested in a lot of meme coins because I think that's where the attention will be flowing. Now, again, alongside the crypto money flow cycle, we also have the Bitcoin dominance. So the Bitcoin dominance is the strength of Bitcoin relative to the rest of the market, right? And you can see we are testing a very key horizontal level that it acted as resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, and we're currently testing this zone once again. I do believe the Bitcoin dominance top is going to be in at around this level at 62, 63%. We will see a crash. And if you look in previous alt seasons, right, we've seen massive dumps in the Bitcoin dominance. And this is where the alt season has started. So keep in mind, this move on Toshi here, right? This move on Toshi here was before Bitcoin had broken previous all-time highs. So we saw an 800% increase, right? Literally a 10x, really. We saw a 10x increase last year. And if we look at the Bitcoin dominance last year, it just went up. We didn't even see Bitcoin dominance go down. So historically, this is where you're making the money in the altcoins. And we've seen Toshi already gone up 10x in the past without even the Bitcoin dominance going down. So imagine what's going to happen when we see the money flowing into those lower cap coins after Bitcoin has already reached an all-time high, after Bitcoin's at 120K, right? And Bitcoin dominance starts crashing, you are going to see tremendous amounts of money flowing into these lower cap coins, flowing into these meme coins. And the base chain is a really good bet because you're betting on the Coinbase team. Coinbase is obviously the largest, regulated crypto swap in the United States, maybe in the world actually. And so I'm betting on Coinbase. I'm betting on the base chain. The fees are low. There's more users each and every week. They're doing a pretty good job. So, I'm betting on the Coinbase ecosystem. I'm betting on the first meme on the base chain, which is Toshi, which is organic grown. Again, they do have some utility. I don't think it really matters. People buy it for the fucking meme. But also we have, Crash talking about base coin, specifically Brett. And I think these are going to move together. So if Brett, goes up, let's say 300%, a 4x, I would expect Toshi to go up a 10x, right? And that would turn this $25,000 into $250,000, right? So let's see what happens. This is what I'm betting on. Again, you can feel free to come back and call me an idiot in 12 to 18 months. That's fine. Don't really care. I'm confident on this play. I'm going to make multiple six figures. And you guys are probably, if you're watching this now, it's some of you might be watching in real time. Some of you are going to be watching too late after price is already going up 10x. Welcome to crypto. You should have been following me sooner, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and join my pro group because I'm giving it in the group before anywhere else. So that's gonna be the first link in the description below. But that is my thesis. That is how I plan on making 7 figures. That is it for me. I will see you guys next video.